my god, at this point I didn't even want to make this video, if I'm being honest. Yeah, I know you guys are here for the same thing. It's right here, we're gonna get to it. I'm just like super sad right now. So yeah, as you can see right here, I'm gonna try to cover my address and like almost everything else in here. But as you can see right here, it literally says UPS Express. This was supposed to be here in the morning. Like I'm gonna take a photo of how it looks like right now outside. This is the time right now. It's 6:10 p.m. literally after sunset. I could have done so many things today. I waited all day for this because supposedly it was gonna come in the morning because it's an express shipment, so it should be here as fast as possible. And it's also a pre-order of a phone. Don't get me wrong, I'm not mad at Apple. Apple, obviously my phone is here and this is what I ordered from them. I'm mad at UPS because they don't know how to like prioritize stuff. Because like if you know that there's like a launch of an Apple product, which is the iPhone, and it's crazy, you should like kind of like figure out a way to like get the people this product first and then do whatever you have to do the rest of the day. And I literally woke up at 8 a.m. and I'm getting my package at 6 p.m. on release date when like I already saw everything that's coming in here. Like I'm not even excited. Here it is. Here's the iPhone. I'm not even excited at this point. Like, this is the saddest shit ever. Apple, you should like hire somebody to like do, maybe like hire the Amazon people because they sure do know how to deliver stuff. This is the new box of the iPhone. It's super thin. Oh my god, this is so dumb. I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't even know why I'm doing this. Let me get everything else and then we'll continue with the unboxing. This wall brick that I have to buy because the wall brick does not come in the box of the iPhone. And I understand why people are mad about it. I'm not mad about it because I can afford getting both of these, no problem. But I do understand why some people are mad about it because not everybody can afford everything, you know what I mean? I also got MagSafe right here and it's already open. I mean, I should be excited because it's a new phone. I mean, I was excited this morning about getting it, but like my excitement level went from 100 to 10. Okay, I'm just gonna peel this off. Wait, I have to post. Nah, I have to post this on Instagram first. You guys gotta wait too. After fucking waiting literally 12 hours, this shit is finally here. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Okay, there we go. This is the revelation. Here's the new iPhone 12 Pro in gold color. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of pretty. I'm gonna put the iPhone on the side. I don't want to drop it. Imagine if I dropped it and just blame UPS, whatever. So this is all you get in the box. Now you only get the power cord and you get some paperwork here. And I heard that you only get like one Apple sticker now. Next year or whenever Apple like gets rid of the charging port, this is what's gonna come in the box with your iPhone. This is not gonna come in the box with your iPhone. So like just have that in mind. I'm predicting the future. You can come back and watch this video when that happens and you'll see that I'm 100% right. Yeah, so let me just remove this. We're just gonna turn this iPhone on. Oh my god. This phone is freaking beautiful. And my fingerprints are oh my god. Okay, so look at the screen difference. Should I end the unboxing here? I feel like I already talked too much. The setup process looks different now. I don't know if it's because of iOS 14 or it just looks different on the iPhone. We're gonna set it up manually. This phone feels so expensive. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Okay, you can take whatever as long as you want. I've been waiting all day thanks to UPS. Fuck you guys. I'm just gonna end the unboxing here. I did my little rant. I feel like I got some of my anger out. I'm gonna set up Face ID now. These are my two phones. I like how this one feels like the iPhone 5. This is pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for being here today. Already got the time. It says 6:22 p.m. Kind of annoyed that it took so long to get here. Kind of happy that it finally did get here. And if you want to see more stuff like what's on my iPhone video, then I'll make sure to do that. I have to get to editing right away and upload this video right away. So yeah, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for listening to me rant, and I'll see you on my next video, which I have a lot of videos planned for the month of November. I have a lot of things honestly on calendar for November. So yeah, I will stick around if I were you. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye.